This video I show you your phone setting is not secure F01 on Samsung Galaxy phone on Gcash. For solving this problem, go to settings, then tap on search bar on settings. Now search for build number. Now tap on build number continuously 4 or 6 times. Now enter your phone password or PIN. Now tap on OK. Now go back. Scroll down. Tap on developer option. Scroll down. Find out OEM unlocking. Disable OEM unlocking. Then tap on back button. Scroll up. Now tap on developer option. Disable developer option. Now go back to home screen. Now open Gcash app. Now I hope that this method fix your phone setting is not secure problem on Gcash on Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Amal's Guide.